Right now this wallet isn't yours, but it's about to be. I'm going to take you through the exact strategy to rug a coin and pocket some insane profits. I'll give you the full strategy, but first, let's make sure you're not making a huge mistake. If you're launching on Pump Fund, stop now and listen. If you check Photon and filter by the Pump Fund DEX, you'll see a ridiculous number of meme coins launching every second. Just now, mine and meme went live, but they don't stand a chance. The reason? Pump Fund is completely overrun because literally anyone can create a coin there. Radium gives us a major advantage. If we filter the launches, we see that only 9 new coins have gone live in the last 5 minutes. That's way less competition. And the demand? Sky high. Just take a look at these 4 billion market cap, 500,000 liquidity pool, completely nuts. People love Radium launches because they require actual coding knowledge, which makes them more trustworthy. That's why we're using Radium. Here's how to do it. Launch Tool is the ultimate hack for getting your coin live on Radium. No coding, no stress, just a few clicks, and it's up and running. I've been using this method for a month, and the profits have been next level. I searched Google and found the perfect logo for my coin. You guys know I like to stick with animals or movies for my themes. This time I went for this funny Siamese cat. Now go into Canva, create a 128 by 128 pixel design, trim the edges if necessary, and save it. That's it. Now it's time to start creating our meme token. Go to launchtool.io. Make sure you are on the right website. First, we need to connect our wallet by clicking on Select Wallet and choose the wallet you are using. Next, we give the token a name and a trading symbol. For this one, I use Siam Coin for the name and SIAM for the symbol. In the description, just type some basic information about your coin. For this one, I used the glorious Siamese cat finally has its own coin. Then, upload the logo you just created on Canva. Click Next. On the next page, you are creating the coin supply. The given default values are perfect. We will create 1 billion Siam coins. No need to overthink and change anything on this page. Click Next. The next page is creator information. This is where they want you to pay for marketing, and you don't really need it. You don't need to create website for your coin. Your buyers will be coming from Radium, so you don't need additional exposure. Save yourself $15. Toggle off this option and click Skip. As I said on the previous page, additional exposure is not really necessary. You can leave the website information and social media links empty and click Skip. The next page is the revoke options, and you have to leave them on. It will cost you 0.3 Solana for all of them, but they provide major security checks for investors in your coin. With revoking each of these options, you will be able to freeze holders' accounts, don't let them buy or sell your tokens, mint new coins, and mess with the supply, and change tokens metadata. Investors can see that you have these options before they invest, and if you toggle them off, nobody will invest, and all the creation has been for nothing. Just leave these options on. It will hurt your wallet at start, but it will pay off. Click Launch My Token Now, and just like that, your token is launched. Just confirm the transaction, and it's that easy, literally 2 minutes, and the token is live. On the next page, click on the last option at the bottom to see your token on SoulScan. If the page looks like this, remember you did not create an NFT. Just close the page, wait a minute or two, and open it again from Launch Tool. When you reopen the page, it should display correctly. Here, you can see your current supply, token name, and trading symbol. Let's get back to Launch Tool and create our liquidity pool. Click on Create Liquidity Pool. It will take you to the Radium website. Don't forget to connect your wallet if it is not connected. Now for base token, I will select the token I just created. Go back to Launch Tool. By clicking on the first icon, above Create Liquidity Pool, I copied the coin address. Paste it in the search bar. Next, I put in the symbol and the name of my token, and click on Add User Token, and then select your token. Remember that I created 1 billion tokens. That is our max supply. For initial liquidity, put in the 900 million tokens. For quote token, select Solana, since you created the token on the Solana network. Put in the max amount of Solana that you have in your wallet, and lower it by 0.2 Solana, since that is the fee on Radium for pool creation. Remember, you are the first buyer of your token. You can't lose money on it since you control the liquidity pool. For the fee tier, select 2% and click on Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm the transaction and your coin is officially launched. Now let's go to Photon, filter for Radium, and the coin that I just created is here. Click on it, copy the address of your coin in the address bar. The address is everything after the last / in the address bar. Open dexscreener.com and go in any random coin you find. Open any random coin and paste the address of your coin into the address bar after the last / and there it is, the coin is presented on the screen. You can see that there are some orders going on, but that are just trading bots. I'm just going to chill for a bit to see what will happen in the first few minutes. Just be patient and the real buyers will start to show up. Okay, the real deal is starting. I have a first major buy of over $80, 0.6 Solana. I have a holder of 400 million coins, and just after a few seconds, another buyer of $10. The price just skyrocketed. This is nuts. Liquidity just jumped to $300, and the gain to almost 400%. Market cap is more than $400. This is going well. A few seconds ago, there was a new buy, $120, 0.9 Solana. I told you guys Radium is the way to go. Just relax and investors will come. We have a little bit of sell-off, but nothing major. One investor decided to pull out. But that's okay, we can share a little bit. Maybe this dip will get some new investors in. I believe that this method is fantastic. Since you hold liquidity, you can't lose money and you need zero marketing since you are not competing with gazillion other coins. A new buy just came in, $50, the dip is no more. I think it's time to rug the coin and take that sweet profit. Come back to the Radium website, in the portfolio tab, and on my positions, you should be on standard. Sometimes the assets will not show up yet. In that case, just wait a few more minutes and keep refreshing the page. If you see it, click on the minus button, scroll the amount to 100%, or click on 100% button. Click on remove liquidity, confirm the transaction, and that's it. All the money is yours. I started with 1 Solana in my wallet before I started the token creation. Now I have a little bit over 2. That's nice profit for 15 minutes of work. Disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. I am not associated with any website in this video, but I will leave the links down below. This strategy is on fire, but I honestly don't know how long it'll last. I mean, these things never last forever, right? If you don't take advantage now, you might miss your chance.